my channel. This week we're going to be doing a really fun holiday themed craft. We are going to be making a Christmas picture using one of those diamond art photos. I'm super excited to do this DIY. I really love projects like that. I find them really relaxing, very easy to do while you're watching a Christmas movie or just winding down in the evening. So I think it's going to be really fun, and it's also going to be a fun piece of Christmas decor that we can have up during the holiday time as a photo in the house. And I especially like that it's a diamond photo for Christmas time because it's going to be really sparkly and pretty, which is very much the Christmas vibe to me. So if you're interested in making a holiday photo with me, then make sure to stick around and watch this video. We are going to get right into it. This week we're partnering with Felix Art to make their Christmas town picture. The whole scene is this little snowy village with Santa flying across the sky, and it has such a warm, nostalgic Christmas vibe. The kit comes with over 53,000 resin pieces in 49 different colors, so everything ends up looking really detailed and glowy. It's backed in a soft velvet canvas that doesn't wrinkle, and it has a backing that keeps light from shining through, so the colors stay rich when it's hanging on the wall. The symbols are super clear, which makes it easy to settle in and get into that relaxing rhythm. Everything you need is right in the box, which is super convenient. If you want to work on this exact picture with me, I linked it in the description. It's perfect for a quiet night in with a blanket and some hot cocoa. And we're going to be using little resin diamonds to fill this whole thing out. It's kind of like a color by numbers, but with resin diamonds. I'm doing a Christmas image. I'll put the name of the one that I'm doing on the screen for you guys if you want to check this one out. And I'm super excited. I've never done one of these before. I always really liked color by numbers growing up, so I think this is going to be really fun. And I actually got started on it because it is a bigger project, so it's going to take a little while to do. We probably won't finish the whole picture in this week's video, so I'll be able to show you what it looks like before we did it and after side by side. It's going to be a very relaxing process. It's going to be super chill. I find it to be very soothing, and I think it's really just kind of methodical and easy to do. So if you like that kind of thing, you're artistic or crafty, this is definitely a fun project to do, and it really takes zero artistic skill. If you like doing projects like this but aren't artistic, all you have to do is follow the patterns. On the sides, it has a key for the different colors and numbers. So they give you these little baggies and number stickers. So I put all of my different colors into the baggies so it's super organized. And it just makes it a lot easier for me as I'm going along. I don't have to search for everything. So super easy. It comes with absolutely everything you need. And they have all different kinds of designs. So if you don't want to do a Christmas one, they have spooky designs, dark fantasy type ones like vampires and things, mythology, animals, all different kinds. And there's over 40 different designers, so it has a pretty wide variety. We're gonna get into it. I've been putting a binder clip on the end just to hold the plastic down as I go. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this back. And I also like to use my binder clip to hold it back because it gives it a little bit of weight. I think I'm gonna work on this section over here. Each of the little boxes has a symbol inside of it, and that tells you which one in the key to use for it. It's pretty straightforward, and you just have to make sure that you don't mix up your colors. So the section I'm doing is going to be B, and then the other section is 2. Hear Nala snoring. She's on the couch right here all bundled up with the heating pad because she just got a bath. So she's warming up and she's out cold. I hope that you enjoyed making some Christmas holiday themed art with me this week. I think it's a really fun craft and DIY project that you can do during the holiday time. There's some really cool ones for Halloween and just kind of all year round. So a big thank you to Felix Art for partnering with me this week. I will link all of their information in the description box below if you're interested in trying out your own diamond art picture, either for Christmas time or any other time of the year. They're always something that's fun to do and a relaxing hobby that you can have to kind of wind down. I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.